Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 4, Day 5. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to say each sound in the word. Shy, sh, I. 2 sounds, fly, f, I. 3 sounds, tight, t, I, t. 3 sounds, pie, p, I. 2 sounds, cry, k, I. 3 sounds. Now I'm going to say a word and then we'll change it into a new word by changing one of the sounds. So light, change I to A. Late. Bite, change I to A. Bait. Pay, change A to I. Pie. Free, change E to I. Fry. Float, change O to I. Flight. Okay, here are some words we've been practicing. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Find. 3, 2, 1. Sky. 3, 2, 1. Right. 3, 2, 1. Tie. Okay, here's our word. High. Add a t to the end of it. Hit. Change the h to b. Bit. Get rid of the t. That would be buy. Change the b to cur. Cry. Change the cur to der. Dry. Change the der to fur. Fry. Change the fur to tur. Try. Add a d at the end. Tried. Change the tur to cur. Cried. Change the cur to der. Dried. Change the der to fur. Fried. And then change the d to t. Fright. Change the fur to right. Okay, so this is word automaticity. I'll give you 3 seconds and hopefully you'll read the word before me. 3, 2, 1. Fly. 3, 2, 1. Find. 3, 2, 1. Tree. 3, 2, 1. Flies. 3, 2, 1. Skies. 3, 2, 1. Right. 3, 2, 1. Buy. 3, 2, 1. Try. 3, 2, 1. Cried. 3, 2, 1. Flying. 3, 2, 1. Light. 3, 2, 1. High. 3, 2, 1. She. 3, 2, 1. Side. Like side. 3, 2, 1. Crying. 3, 2, 1. Sky. 3, 2, 1. Bright. 3, 2, 1. Shy. 3, 2, 1. Fried. 3, 2, 1. Dries. 3, 2, 1. High. 3, 2, 1. Pie. 3, 2, 1. Say. 3, 2, 1. Spied. 3, 2, 1. Frying. 3, 2, 1. Tide. 3, 2, 1. Wild. 3, 2, 1. Sigh. 3, 2, 1. Tried. 3, 2, 1. Tries. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Here we go. Caught, 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 caught. He caught a big fish. Flew, 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 flew. The plane flew high in the sky. No, 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 no. Do you know my name? Laugh, 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 laugh. The joke made me laugh. Listen, 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 listen. Listen to this song. Were. We were cold at night. And here's our story for today. Okay, let's read together. Be kind to bugs. Okay, so let's look at some words we'll have. 3, 2, 1. Of. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. Were. 3, 2, 1. Caught. 3, 2, 1. Do. 3, 2, 1. Don't. 3, 2, 1. Many. And here's our story for today, okay? Oh, it looks like we have 2 stories today. That's okay. Okay, be kind to bugs. Okay, so I see let's see. We'll read this together. The sight of bugs might give you a fright. If you were caught in a spot with bugs, you might yell. But be kind to bugs. Let's find out why. You need more than a rake and hoe to grow plants. Bugs can help a lot. Oh, sorry. Bugs fight and eat things that can be bad for plants. Bugs seem to know the right thing to do for plants. Okay. If a bug flew into some teeth, you might say, yuck. Don't laugh. But many people eat bugs and do not mind the food. If you listen at night, nice bugs can help you go to bed. Bugs can come from the wild or home. Bugs may seem bad, like a roach, but most bugs are good because bugs can help us a lot. So do not run and hide. Be kind to bugs. So bugs do help us a lot. And then we have one more bug story. This is O, so it's glowing bugs fly by. Together, glowing bugs fly by. Here's some words we'll see. 3, 2, 1, comes. 3, 2, 1, what? 3, 2, 1, about. 3, 2, 1, they. 3, 2, 1, want. Okay, so this time we'll go through and look for some of the difficult words, then we'll let you read it. That's glow, floating, shines. Okay, your turn first. Together. At times, you can see a glow floating in the sky. This glow shines like the sun. The glow comes from fine bugs that fly. Okay. Let's read this page together. What do we know about this bug that glows? You may laugh, but these bugs make the glow from inside. That's not a lie. They like to fly in wet places, not dry. If those places were dried up, the bugs will find a new home. Look how pretty that is. So these fireflies are luminous. Okay, that's what we've been learning about. They create their own light. Okay, here we go. Together, you can listen and you may find that a bug is close. Just wait and look. If one flew by, you can try to tiptoe and reach up. It could take 2 tries. If you caught it, keep in mind to let it go free. Okay, next part. These fun pals are not like most bugs. When one flies by, do not run and hide. Look at this nice bug. Do you want to see it glow in the sky? Oops. Okay, so that was a nice story. So really quickly, let's learn about cry and dry. I'm so sorry it keeps changing. I don't know why it's doing that. So we have cry, and when we add the ing, nothing changes. So it's just crying, and drying. Okay, so those don't change at all. Those keep the Y. The next two do change. So we have cries, cross off the Y, put an I-E-S, cries and dries. Cross off the Y, put an I-E-S. Cries and dries. Okay, let's try one more with the past. Cried. So write cur, cross off the Y, put an I-E-D. Cried. One more time. So we have dried, cross off the Y, put an I-E-D. Dried. Okay? So when we have the verbs, we have the verbs see, sees, and saw. We use see when we have words like I see, you see, they see, she see, they see, she sees. So we see sees when it's a person, like John sees, or he sees, or she sees. We use saw in the past for all of them. So let's look at that. They blank ants on a log. So you could say they see ants on a log, but let's say we wanted to say the past. They saw ants on a log. Okay, so both of those work. Let's look at our next one. We blank ants at the picnic. We see ants at the picnic, or we saw ants at the picnic. Both of those work. Okay, Mac blank a snail. You could say Mac saw a snail for the past, but if it's happening now, we would see sees. Mac sees a snail. Okay? So, I want to tell about something I'm looking at right now. So I could say I see you could say screen, because we're looking at the computer. I see a screen. If it was in the past, you could say I saw a screen. Okay? Okay, so just remember, saw is in the past, see and sees is in the present. That means right now. Okay, bye everyone.